There are two ways you could download Power BI Desktop on your machine, and the two methods basically depends on what kind of Windows you run on your machine. So if you run on Windows 10, you should consider using option 2, but if you run on Windows 7 or Windows 8, then you should consider using this option 1. Option 1 is you have to visit the Power BI website on powerbi.com. Okay, so powerbi.com or powerbi.microsoft.com, either one. Then you scroll down towards the bottom of the page. So at the bottom end of that page, you're going to see a section for downloads. So under this section for downloads, you want to click on Power BI Desktop. So once you do that, it's going to bring you up to another page where you have this. So I advise that you click on See Download or Language Options first, which is going to bring you right over here. Then you want to check the system requirement. So you want to check that your system has met this requirement. So supported Windows system, you can see runs on Windows 10, Windows 7, Windows 8, and all of this. And then we'll also have it available as a 32-bit or a 64-bit download, depending on what OS you run on your machine. So that's option 1. Option 1 is you go via the Power BI website to download, which is mainly for those who don't run on Windows 10. Now, if you run on Windows 10 or any other higher version that may come up later in the future, then you want to consider going to your Microsoft Store, and then you're going to come to the search area here and just type in Power BI. So once you type in Power BI, you're going to see the two of them here, but then you want to go with Power BI Desktop. So the benefit of using option 2, downloading via the App Store, is the fact that every time there's a new update on Power BI, you don't have to go back and download the installation file. So if you go to download from the website, it means once there's a new update, and we usually have update at least once every month. So when you get a new update, if you download from the website, you have to go back and download a separate installation file. But if you download from the App Store, then all updates will automatically come to your Power BI Desktop.